Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shy Girl. So today I'm gonna share with you bridal makeup kit under rupees 500. Yes guys, this is gonna be a makeup kit. So you guys know now what to do. Guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. So firstly I'm going to talk about serum. So for serum I have this rosehip face serum. Oh god, this is literally a magic in a bottle, you guys. Guys, I would definitely going to recommend this to each and every one of you because this is a magic, literally a magic. I know there are thousands of serum in the market, but you can go for this also. So next I'm going to talk about moisturizer. Again, there are tons of moisturizer in market, but this is a affordable and this is for all skin type, and this comes in very affordable packaging and all of that stuff, and this suits me so amazingly, and I'm going to recommend this to every one of you guys. Next is lip balm, guys. We all ignores our lip, which is I think not a good idea because for a bride, especially lip care is so really important, like our skincare is. I'm sure no one wants their lips to look chapped or flaky on that day, right? We all want our lips to be as long lasting as it could be, so that is possible only if we will scrub and moisturize our lips too before starting our makeup. So I'm gonna recommend this to you guys. So next is primer. For primer I have Blue Heaven and Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and these both are so amazing, oil free, and they just work amazing on every skin type. If you have these two, then I think you are good to go because they work amazing and they are oil free, non greasy, which I think is a great thing, and they are so much budget friendly, you guys. They I think come under rupees 500, and I think this is a great product. You can try both of them. Blue Heaven is quite inexpensive as compared to Nykaa, but Nykaa is also a good. Next come the foundation. For foundation I have one and only Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Oh god, I mean, of course we all know about this foundation. This is such a great product in our Indian market, and I think this suits for every skin type, and this is my shade 115 Ivory, and this is basically for normal to oily skin, but I don't think that it didn't suit for dry or some other skin tone, so you can definitely try this thing out. Then I'm going to talk about concealer. So for that I have LA Girl Pro concealer. This is in the shade light ivory, and this is a amazing concealer that just gives you a full coverage, and there are so many shades, which is I think a great thing for our Indian skin tone. Then I'm going to talk about Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. Again, this is such a affordable concealer, and this is in the shade 03 light molten. And then I have this Maybelline Fit Me as favorite, guys, and then this is in the shade 10 light leisure, and you can see the halat. And then I'm going to talk about loose powder, for which I have again Maybelline Fit Me. Guys, this is not a sponsored video, okay? So yeah, this is again a very amazing and fine loose powder. And then I have for affordable I have this ADS powder deluxe, which is again a good one, but it just gives you a very nice coverage also. And then for compact powder I have this Fit Me compact, which is we all know an amazing product. This is such a handy product. You can definitely keep this in your purse and you are good to go because it just gives you a very nice coverage, as I've seen you. And then I have this Wet and Wild Mega Glow palette, which in which you will get a contour and a compact. I hope you can see that I have hit pan on this, like I'm about to hit, but this is an amazing palette. Then I have eyeshadow, for which I have a lot of option for you guys. So for bride to be, I will definitely gonna recommend this Wet n Wild in the shade Rose in the Air, which is a amazing palette, and these are all the detail and instruction written down, and you guys could see the shades are so amazing. Then SFR Girl glitter palette. Again, for bride to be, I think glitter is a must. And you guys could see, oh god, these are so amazing and such a affordable palette. I'm definitely going to recommend this to you. And then I have the Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette. Again, yeah, there are so many shades in this palette, and of course you're gonna get a lot of other shades too, and the pigmentation is quite okay, and this is an amazing one. Then I have this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow stick. Then we have highlighter. Oh god, these two are bomb in a box. Literally, guys, I'm going to recommend Maybelline Master Chrome and Wet n Wild highlighter. Both are amazing, affordable, and the pigmentation is again like extremely beautiful, as you guys could see on the screen. It is amazing, and ignore the background noise. Yeah, and this is all the shades and detail of this mega glow palette. And then this is in the shade molten gold. I think इसमें एक और shade आता है which is again a good one, but I think this suits a lot of skin. Then I'm going to talk about blusher, for which I have this sugar palette. I'm gonna recommend this to every one of you because is really very compact product, you guys. And you will get three things in a box, which I think is a great thing. You don't have to carry a lot of stuff. As you guys could see, there are blusher, highlighter, and a contour, and these come in two shades. So these are the shades, and blusher, everything is pigmented, quite pigmented. And this is the SFR color blusher, which is again extremely pigmented, and this is in the shade one. And I'll try my best to link all the thing in the description box, so don't forget to check the description. Next, I'm going to talk about eyeliner and kajal, for which I have this K Beauty kajal and this eyeliner from Lakme, which is all of our favorite because ये काफ़ी पुराना है, and this K Beauty kajal is amazing. Then for brows I have this Miss Clear eyebrow stick pencil, sorry, and I think इसमें बहुत सारे शेड आते हैं, so you can definitely go and check those shade out. And my shade is 04 light brown, and there are a lot of shade, you guys, you can check. Then I have this Etude House brow pencil. Again, this is a pigmented one, and it come with a very thin sort of a stick, so you can easily make your eyebrows, and this is amazing. Then I have this SFR eyeshadow plus eyebrow palette, and I think I have done a video on this, so you can of course check the description because I'm going to link the video and all of the detail in the description box, so make sure you check the video out for more detail. For contour, I'm going to recommend that sugar palette only because these shades are amazing, suits mostly all skin tone, and you guys could see that both have quite similar shades, and they are really very creamy and pigmented. So yeah, for mascara I have Maybelline and L'Oreal Paris. And then for lipstick, you can go with there are tons of lipstick, you guys, but for affordable, I'm gonna recommend this Blue Heaven in the shade Heartbeat, because this is a very deep red kind of a shade, and this is a beautiful shade for bride to be. Then I have this Maybelline in the shade Nude Nuance, like all our favorite, and this is in the shade Chill Nude. I don't know what the shade is, I think I've shown you, so just check the shades and all. Then I have this Lakme 9 to 5 in the Vermilion Fired, which is a very beautiful tomato sort of a shade. Well, I'm thinking to just make a separate video uh, on these lipstick collection, but do let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely gonna make a video. So these are all the swatches, and next I am going to talk about makeup remover, because again this is a essential step. So I'm going to recommend one and only Color Bar On The Go makeup remover wipes. These are so amazing. The color of the packaging, I love the packaging, and this is for 250 rupees, and I think you will get 20 wipes and which is I think a great one. Then I'm going to recommend affordable one. This is Johnson's Baby Wipes, and this is for rupees 775, which I think is a great thing, and you will get again 20 wipes. Then I'm going to recommend makeup blender. So if you like to do your makeup with a blender, I'm going to definitely going to recommend this Blue Heaven makeup blender. This is so amazing, you guys. Affordable, and as well as it is so, it just blends your makeup like a dream, and it is a perfect blender for beginner. Then I am going to definitely going to recommend a brush set, because I think a brush set is really very important. If you have all of these things and you don't have brush, I think these are useless, so I'm going to definitely going to recommend a brush set. I'll try my best to link some sets for you guys, and yeah, just try to take a fluffy set, so that you can easily blend out all the makeup, and make sure that it just have all the brushes. So yeah, here we come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys like the video. Guys, do let me know in the comment section that और आपको किस तरह की वीडियो चाहिए, and what you want to see next. And yeah, if you like the video, then you know now what to do, guys. Like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.